Stop by and take a look at the 2017
Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, roof rack, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. Your new ride is just a phone call away.